don't trash or abandon perfect white just like every other harsh old whitening product like Carotone, Carowhite, Secret White, and so on. I know some people will be like, what to get to today? Like, she don't come with another one. Anyways, this perfect white lotion and the soap can whiten, like I'm telling you. It can give you at least 4-5 shades. You see, before the advancement of this skincare thing, those days, those Gen Z of those days were using this product like Carowhite, Perfect White, Carotone, Secret White, and stuff like that. I use this product and I was so white that people were like talking down on me that you are too white, calm down. I literally abused this product that after a very long usage, because I was using morning and night, I started having red spots, some knuckles, and some reaction redness and stuff like that. But recently I just thought of this economy, wetin happen, things are so expensive and it's not everybody that will be able to afford expensive products. So I got it. How much? 1,600 naira. And I love this soap. This soap is really working well. Currently I'm using it with Vit Gold oil and Ashanti scrub. That's just all. For those of you that are interested in using the lotion, the serum together with the soap, some of you are like, what is she saying? This wicked product. Of course, I'm telling you the truth. This product, if I had the knowledge I have now when I was using this product years back before the advancement of this skincare thing, I'm telling you, my skin would be good. In fact, my skin was white and okay, but just that some reactions and stuff those days. If you want to go and get this product, this perfect white lotion, you can also get perfect white lotion, you get moisturizing product, and you also get this bar soap. This is a very mild bar soap. Okay, this is called Premier Cool. It's not a must you get this, but this is just regular. We have Joy, we have Lux, different. You can even get antibacterial bar soap, mild one. You can get Dove. It's not a must you get this, but I use this because this is very cool and refreshing. Okay, the question is, how do you use this perfect white lotion safely? How you can use this perfect white lotion is that, hold up guys, I want you all to first have this at the back of your mind, that it's not by buying expensive skincare product. You can buy expensive skincare product and yet your skin will still look like roasted corn, and you can buy cheap skincare product and your skin will look good. It's all about applying knowledge and not abusing skincare products. Most people abuse skincare products a lot. Use this lotion and its soap at night. Okay, we have 7 days in a week here. Use 5 times or 3 times in a week while starting. For those with sensitive skin, 3 times or 4 times in a week is okay for a starter. Okay, and those with normal skin can use 4 to 5 times. It's okay. Those with stubborn skin, 4 to 5, 6 times in a week is okay. Those that, when I'm talking about tough skin, I'm talking about those people that product hardly work on them. Okay, and if you must use 7 days in a week, with those with tough stubborn skin, no. If you must 7 days in a week, the moment you achieve your desired result, you start using it intermittently, like maybe 4 times in a week, 3 times in a week. And once you achieve the desired result, at times 1 week you might not use, and another week you can use. You start skipping off and on. Okay, and those with sensitive skin and normal skin as well, the moment you get your desired white shade you want, you can start using it 2 times in a week. Next week you will not use, upper next week you use, off and on, off and on. Okay, but make sure you are still using the soap. It's okay, and make sure you are using body scrub. Okay, body scrub is essential. I always talk about body scrub. There are different nice cheap body scrubs. You know how the country is there, but at least you still get cheap and affordable products. Ashanti is a very good scrub. Okay, this scrub is so good, so nice. You can scrub maybe 2 times in a week. If you have sensitive skin, maybe scrub maybe once or twice in a week. If you have normal skin, 2 to 3 times in a week is okay. Even stubborn skin, maybe 3 to 4 times in a week. Okay, but once you achieve that tone you want, you minimize scrubbing every time. Okay, you start using intermittently. Sometimes you use, sometimes you don't use. Okay, you know that there's now major changes on your skin, and if not, you might experience green vein and reaction, and your skin may look thin and unhealthy. So we don't want that. So the moment you achieve that white shade you want, is okay. Rest. Okay, rest. Just keep on using your whitening bar soap. That is the perfect white bar soap at night. Don't use it in the morning. If you must use it in the morning, maybe you are not going out, you're just around. Okay, you are not going under the sun. And use sunscreen in the morning while going to work. Use sunscreen while you apply your moisturizing product, maybe baby pears or maybe the Vit Gold oil or any other mild moisturizing lotion. or Vitgold oil. This Vitgold oil does not whiten. Let nobody deceive you. This is a gluing moisturizing product which I already gave review on this product. Go and check my video on it. The link would be in my description box. Okay, so you can go watch the video about the misconception on this product, how to identify the fake from the original one. In fact, every full damn details you need about this Vitgold oil is in that video. Okay, make sure you use sunscreen. At least if you don't want to apply all over, apply some on your face, your hand and foot area, so that you won't get knuckle or sunburn. And talking about the fragrance is okay. If you buy and the soap is not nylon, please don't buy. Okay, it comes with nylon. I already used mine. Okay, Perfect White lotion itself can give you 3, 4, 5 shades depending on your kind of skin. Like I said, you don't really need to add serum, but if you must add serum, or it's serum, any other serum you want to add, don't add much. Those with tough skin I'm talking about. If you have sensitive skin, don't add any serum. Even with serum, don't add. If you have normal skin, you don't need it. Maybe those with stubborn skin, they can add serum, okay, into it, but it should not be much. Okay, and the moment you achieve that tone, please rest. Don't start using like your life depends on it. If not, the reaction, you won't like it. Okay, you might experience dark knuckles, sunburn, stretch mark and stuff. Okay, but for you not to be like that, that is why you need to be using more of your moisturizing product. For me, I enjoy to use either baby oil or the Vitgold oil more often. Like, use it like so much. Anytime you scrub your skin like that, make sure you use your normal moisturizing oil. Don't use Perfect White when after scrubbing. Okay, use normal moisturizing product. Okay, once you are done rubbing the lotion, immediately you wash your hands with mild soap. Okay, normal mild soap, and you use Vaseline or baby pears oil, please. About baby oil, I beg. I'm not talking about Didi's baby oil, please. Oh, not Didi's fan, I beg. If you like, use Didi oil. Now you happy with this. Watch your skin glow and your tone will be okay. Sometimes when you give birth, your skin will change so much, and you find out that most products are not even working on your skin. This product can do some justice on your skin, like to bring back your tone, your lost tone. Okay, Perfect White would restore your tone. You can use this Perfect White for a very long time if you are applying knowledge. Don't be using it like do or die. So just make sure that you are using the bar soap. Even at times, don't even use the bar soap regularly. It's okay if you use it like this and you have no problem, no knuckles, no stretch mark, nothing. Okay, if you have anything to say about this product, or if you have any question you want to ask me, just go down to the comment section, let me know. I'll be here to answer you. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.